1 spoon with 250 milliliter, and I don't use that like that way because I'm thinking like 1 gallon with 3 spoons, that will be fine and will be good for my bird. So a little bit like that. So you guys, this Nekton-S and this Nekton-E from this for the vitamin supplement for the bird. This one I got from the eBay. For this one I got a really good deal, about 150 gram, and that means like 5.29 ounces. This one I got like about $20 from the eBay, but now I pay about like 39 over than that on the eBay and from the Amazon. So it's easy to search and order this product from the eBay and the Amazon when you type the Nekton name, different name. On the bottle they have they will show you how to mix this one with the water, like 1 spoon. In this bottle they have the small spoon, so 1 spoon with the mix with 250 milliliter water, or you can put in 100 grams soft food. But the way I do, like I will not follow with the with what they say in here, and I will mix with the way I with my opinion about my experience, because the food I feed for the bird, that means that right, I think like it's almost enough for the vitamins. So that's why this is like more extra for when they ready for the breeding season. Okay, so the first day I will feed the Nekton-E. This is for help for the breeding bird, and the second day I will feed them with the S. So I will do like one by day, one by one day. That means like the first day I use this one, the second day this one, the third day with the E, the S, like the 4 day like S. So I will keep to use that until like 14 days. And this is the way I will to show you. I want to show you guys how I use. So first day, second day, third day, and 4th day, and 5th day, and 6th day I use S. So I will use like this. And now I'm going to show you guys how to mix the vitamin with the water. Okay, so today the first day, that's what I marked from the first day, but we not forget about this. This one I can use like when I like every morning I mix the vitamin, and then I can mark in here and I can remember, and I don't forget about confused from like what day I use the E and what day I use the S. The important thing, I never use the regular water from the city water. I use the water from the filter system. So that means the water like good quality for feed the bird. Okay. So I fill the water in here. after I fill the water just a little bit like that, and then I put the vitamin in there. So 1 gallon the way I do, because I have a lot of the bird. So the way I do, I put like 2 spoon vitamin in like 1 gallon. And remember, like, I don't follow the way they teach you guys how to use this vitamin, because in here they use like 1 spoon, 1 spoon with 250 milliliter, and I don't use that like that way, because I'm thinking like 1 gallon with 3 spoons, that will be fine and will be good for my bird. So the water is full now, and then I check a little bit. I'll make sure the vitamin and the water is mixing good. And now we go into feed the water to the bird. Okay, now we feed the water. So remember, when you feed the water, make sure like the bowl clean, and just like little bit water like this, okay? Because we will feed this like every morning until 14 days, so that's why we don't have to put like too much water in here. The same thing, like I put this one. A little bit like that. This one is the same thing. Enough for whole days. Turn to over here, the dipping tear, and a little bit. And a little bit. And close it, and make sure you lock it. You know they can fly. Okay. Okay, now we feed the bottle water. So it's same thing. A lot of the bird, but I just show you guys how to fill the water to the bar, those feeders. You see? Now on. Okay, and they will come between it. This even the African ray sunshine Indian unit. Good morning, guys. So today the second day we feed the bird the Nekton-S, because yesterday we feed them with the Nekton-E, so that's why today the second day we feed them with the Nekton-S. So we use the Nekton-S to mix with the water. We use like three spoons mixed with like 1 gallon water. It's same thing. We mixed the Nekton-E from yesterday, so we will fill the water, the light drinking water, in the filter system. Then we get like 3 spoons Nekton-S, 3 spoons, okay? Mix with the water. Then a second. So the difference between from the Nekton-E and Nekton-S, like when you whenever you forget and you mix the water, and you can see the Nekton-S will be turn the water like the yellow like this, and the Nekton-E will be like not turn the water like just like the clear water color. Okay, so now we set one more time. And then we go into feed the bird. Okay guys, so we can see like in here from the Nekton-E from yesterday still happen here, so we have to go away this one. Okay. Go away on. If you like just a little bit, that's enough for whole day they can drink. Okay. Same thing like over here. I like this case. This case good for real, and not too big the space. Stop. So you see, like this case really good, about easy to fill the food and the water every morning. So easy to turn and easy to clean. It's really good. I bought this like 3 cases together like this, like 500 from the Amazon. Okay. So this is I just show you guys like how to fill the water like a Nekton-S to the bird, like a couple my pair. I couldn't show you guys like all my bird because